so much, Paolo Avellino. At grabe, ang rami mong pinakilig ng mga brilliant tonight. Tama po ba?
Sayang di na ako nakaabot sa likod.
Yeah, I just have a few questions. But before that, let's call on Miss R.C. Munoz back on stage. Together with Miss Glenda. Wow, may mga fans si Paolo. Makimanatics. Alright, so let's do a photo op. Okay, smile to the camera. Alright, 3, 2, 1, brilliant!